Hi, this is Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and bell button for all of our upcoming videos. Today I'll be showing you how to replace the handle on your Getac B300. First thing you want to do is flip the unit over. You need to remove these front rubber bumpers. There are 4 screws on each of them that need to be removed. Once those are removed, you can pull them up. You can pull them off. That'll expose 2 more screws on both sides of the handle. Remove all 4. And now you can replace the handle. Put the 4 screws back into the handle and then the front bumpers. And that's it. Want to make sure everything's put back in the same order. Thank you for watching. Any questions or comments, you can leave below.